What we're doing today, we're unboxing a box of goodies. Unboxing a box of goodies. We're unboxing some stuff in that box there. It's a new collaboration that I got contacted last week, and I'll be honest, I'm super excited about this collaboration. As you may know, I am pretty picky when it comes to what I put on my bike, what I wash it with, what I detail it with. Specifically this fire blade as well, because I want to try and keep it in as tip-top condition as possible. So I am pretty picky about what I put on the bike. So when this company reached out to me and asked if I wanted to collaborate with them on Mid-Bike Crisis, the answer was an immediate yes. Absolutely, I'd love to collaborate with this company. So guys, let's have a little open up the box and see what we've got. Can you guess? Probably can't guess. Tru Tension. So, absolutely amazing products, really good products, Tru Tension. I have used these products before, and from what I did use, I was really impressed. I've got one of these actually as well. These are brilliant, but they've kindly sent me a new one. So I just want to say thank you to all of the team at Tru Tension for reaching out to me and wanting to work and collab together, which I think it's brilliant. I think it's great branding. It'll be absolutely fantastic for the channel. And I've also got a discount code as well. You can get 30% off all of the products at Tru Tension for your bike cleaning with the code, which I'll put up here. Well, it's Mid-Bike Crisis 30. So I'll put that in the description as well, so you don't forget it. But yeah, 30% off is pretty good. But these things are awesome. So these grime guards, so you put this around the rear sprocket and it captures all the gunk basically. When you spray the chain down and clean degreaser on the chain, this thing here, I'll open it later actually, I'll do a separate video on this, but you open it up, attach it to the rear sprocket round the back, and then when you spray it and turn your wheel around, it captures all the crap in there, which is fantastic. Right, let's dive into the box and see what else is in there. It's a box of goodies. I'm really excited, it's like Christmas. So this is what we've got from the guys at Tru Tension, and this is like a starter pack, if you like. It's their luxury motorcycle kit, and you've got a selection of products in there. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in there. So I'll open the box up and we'll all have a look together, but I've not opened this. This is the first time opening, so we'll do it together. Right, so we've got gel bike cleaner. So this is called Monkey Juice. So you shake the bottle, spray the juice onto the dirty surface. And then leave the gel foam to get to work for about 2 or 3 minutes. Agitate with a brush or sponge and then rinse thoroughly. So it's like a gel cleaner. I love the colour of this stuff as well. Look at that. Awesome. Right, what else is in the box? What else is in the box? I'll bring the box to you actually, let's have a look. And I've got to wear my glasses. I've got to wear readers nowadays. Oh, I've got my t-shirt on, but to be honest, it's that cold. I think I'm going to have to put this top on because I do like branding and I do like showing my little logo, but it's very cold today. It's not good. So this is what's inside the luxury motorcycle kit. So you get the gel bike cleaner, motorcycle chain cleaner. That's the stuff that you use in conjunction with the grime guard as well. So you spray that onto your chain, and I've got this as well, and it's fantastic. It's a really good product. It just dissolves all the crap off your chain. And then you've got your chain lube, so that's after you've cleaned it. What's this one? TT78. Prevents rust, cleans, lubricates, protects, repels moisture. So you spray it on a clean bike basically and then wipe off. So that protects the bike. What do you think to me glasses? Someone said I do look like Reggie Cray. These are reading glasses from Amazon. They're cheapos, and this is what happens when you get to 52. And then we've got brake cleaner. I've got that. That's a really good product. Chain brush. These are absolutely essential. You need one of these if you're going to be doing a proper maintenance job on your chain, get one of them. They're fantastic. And then we've got in here, let's put that down a minute. Why is everything so difficult to get into? It's a good thing because it's packaged well. So we've got gel bike cleaner concentrate. We'll have a go with that later on. But yeah, all in all, that's a really fantastic little kit, that. So if you have a look on the Tru Tension website, I'll put the price up on screen now, what you pay for this luxury motorcycle kit. And if you buy any of the cleaning or maintenance products on the Tru Tension site, use code MidBikeCrisis30, all in capitals, one word. You get 30% off all these products, which is absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And just for clarity as well, I do get a small commission from Tru Tension. I'm not sure why I have to mention that, but it's in the terms and conditions of YouTube. So YouTube say I've got to do it, so I've got to do it. I've got to add it in. So yeah, I do get a very small commission. But yeah, I'm really excited to collaborate with Tru Tension. I really am excited. Now we're coming into the winter season, I will be going through and detailing some of my bikes and getting them sort of like winter ready for the garage. Probably, I went out on this the other day actually, but it was about 2 degrees coming home. It was absolutely freezing. So I think we've potentially hit the end of the riding season for the Blade anyway. And yeah, just excited really to dive into all this stuff. Some fantastic products in there. Make sure you go to the Tru Tension website and have a good look. There's loads of good stuff on there. They do locks and bike covers and all sorts of other bits. It's not just motorbike cleaning products. But this thing here, honestly, they're brilliant. So that's another collaboration company that we've got running and supporting Mid-Bike Crisis. I really do appreciate these collaboration requests. I've had quite a few over the last year as the channel's grown basically. I'll you know, wake up to emails of companies that want to collaborate and, you know, let me show you guys their products. I'll only put on the best of the best. I do get a lot of collaboration requests for clothing, different Sat-Nav units as well. I don't want to be saying yes to everything and yes to everybody that wants to collaborate, because I'll only promote and show products what I truly believe in. And Tru Tension is a product that I've used in the past, and I still have some of the products in the garage, and I do believe in the products. So that's why I was happy to collaborate, and it bonuses you guys because you get a lovely discount as well, 30% off any of the products. So it's not really a sales pitch this, so please don't think it is. It's just more about, I'm super excited to collaborate with such a cool brand and such a cool company, and I thought you guys would be interested to see how Mid-Bike Crisis is evolving. More exciting news, there's another collaboration request, which I don't want to bombard you all with videos at the moment, but there's another collab request, and this one is actually for some motorbike riding equipment. I think it's pretty revolutionary actually, but anyway, I've got some samples being sent over to me, and I'll do some testing, and that's another thing I do. If I like the product, I will get it in and I'll do some testing on the products, and if I think it's safe and suitable, I'll definitely collab with the company and show it to you guys. So that's something to look out for. And also our new Husher earplugs, so the wind protection earplugs, they're now here. They've just landed yesterday actually, so I've got to do all the photography and the videography. Hopefully Mid-Bike Crisis website will be live in the next week and a half, so you'll be able to buy the Husher earplugs on there. I put some in yesterday and went for a ride, and you can hear the engine, the comms, traffic around you, but just blocks out that that wind noise. They're really cleverly engineered pieces of kit. So a video will be coming on that Husher product later on, hopefully next week, so not too far. But thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you head over to Tru Tension's website, put in that code if you're in the market for some new products, and enjoy 30% off. Right, I'll speak to you all on the next video, and if you're getting out for a ride today, wrap up because it's bloody freezing. See you all on the next video.